Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the cinematic border on CapCut PC. So get your video, then you're actually just going to select mask and you're going to select film strip and you're going to adjust it like so, and then you're going to add a keyframe here. Then you're going to go to a segment of your video, maybe like here. Then you're going to adjust it so there's like a line here, so it adjusted from like a normal video to a more cinematic video, as you can see. If you want it to be a little more, okay, if you want the height to be like this, you can just adjust it again. But that is basically it. It is so simple, but it does make a difference to your videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!